Hello and welcome to another lily update. I have some good lily growth since last time, and still most of the daffodils are in flower. This is one white is petrol and the yellow one is minolet. They're still very nice. And here you can see some lilies which have purple stems and purple leaves and green leaves. And for example, this one is Lilium regale and this one is Lilium regale album. You can see that regale album has green leaves and the regale usually have at least purple stems. Some lilies were not able to pull through the winter, and I was able to plant the raised bed, and I have some growth already. We'll see how it goes. So I'm contented with this part of the garden. Unfortunately, I had to weed a lot, so that's not great. I have my white flowered chives in buds and flowers, and I have my candidoms here. And I would like to talk about this tulip. This is Tulipa Insulinde. It's a Rembrandt tulip, so it's infected with Rembrandt tulip breaking virus. That's why you can see that there is no same pattern on two tulips. While I was working on my PhD, I wrote an article about tulip viruses, and this virus was also able to infect lilies. And well, I will put the link in if you want to read it. It's quite a heavy scientific stuff, but I was working on recombination of these viruses and how they appear in tulips, and of course we were able to infect lilies with tulip infecting viruses. So if you're interested, links in the description. Okay, and I have my lovely dracunculus, and the fritillarias are now over. I will have some good stems on the oleums. Oh, and the normal chives in flower also, lovely. And we have this animal. This is usually harmless. It's a cantarinid beetle. It's very toxic to any other animals, so nothing eats it. And I already have some fasciation in lilies, which we are going to look into this year. And I already have a seedling with a lot of buds, visible buds, which is nice. It's always nice to see lily buds, especially when they are opening. Okay. So the other lilies look okay also. I had to give a lot of water because we are in a drought, and maybe I still have to give them more water. So, and these are growing nicely. I also have some strawberries in flower, which is also nice. And oh, something was digging through my lily bed. Oh gosh, how do I know which lily is this? Maybe this one, I don't know. This wasn't here yesterday, so another thing, just one disaster after another. This is life. Seedlings are looking okay. Some of them will flower this year, so I should keep an eye on them. And I have new leaves growing on the hellebore, so it will have new growth and new flowers for next year, hopefully. What I wanted to show you are the Dodecatheon. So this is Alba, and this is I can't read the label. Dodecatheon media Queen Victoria. Media Queen Victoria, Aphrodite, and normal Dodecatheon media. I see absolutely no difference between them, nothing at all. So it's part of life. It's part of the business that people are thinking you're stupid. This is my Convallaria collection. They're flowering nicely. Also, the pink ones are now in flower. They do fade, so don't expect very pink. And oh, how lovely! Prolificans is flowering. There was a lot of bud blast this year. Maybe it was too dry for it to flower. This is Albulineata. It's very nice. I like it very much. The different yellow forms are in flower. And Keishkei, this variegated one. This one has a yellow leaf edge. So a lot is going on. My hostas, miniature hostas, are looking okay. But this one has some frost damage. So that's not nice. But all in all, everything is growing and the weeds are also growing, so I have to get back to weeding. I have some lovely Salvia nemorosa. Salvia nemorosa is native in Hungary, so I can dig them if they are growing on an unprotected place. And this is a virus on this lily, and this one is Tulipa acuminata, which also has a virus infection. So that would be all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.